I'm like really hot. Wait, what? They gave me plastic surgery. Hi guys, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the video where I let strangers off the internet Photoshop photos of me. So excited to have no self-confidence, but also like hopefully this is funny. Fingers crossed. Before we get into this video, I want to say a huge shout out to Natalia Taylor. She filmed this video and it was bomb. So I'm curious to see what people would do to a photo of me. So that's what we gonna do. I almost was gonna submit a photo just to see what happened. I was like, I'm gonna film it. Yeah, I'll link her video down below though. It was so bomb. Also, comment down below who your favorite YouTuber is at the moment. I'm curious, let me know. And let's get on to hopefully not shattering my self-confidence. Okay, step one, we had to take a photo to send to these strangers on the internet. So I dragged my boyfriend Kane out to take some photos with me, trying to take one photo, but like took about 200. As you can see, I'm annoying. But I think that I'm gonna go with this one, which I'm gonna put on the screen so you guys can actually see it because step number two, I need to find some strangers to Photoshop my photos. So I just downloaded the app Fiverr. This is basically an app where you can get random people on the internet to do things for you, and I think it's $5. You can get like voiceovers, which I really want to get a stranger or multiple strangers to voice over one of my videos. I think I'm gonna do that in next week's video. Comment down below if you guys want to see that. I feel like I've already decided that I'm gonna film that, but like let me know if you guys want to see it. They also do flyers and brochures, articles and blog posts. You get the picture. They do a lot of different stuff, but we just want to get the photo editing. Yo, there is so many. I don't even know how people make money on this app. How am I gonna choose? Okay, we found someone that says do any Photoshop job within 6 hours. I think her name's Amber. She says that she can give me perfect looking skin. We want that. Whiten my teeth, reduce my fat. I'm just gonna go with this one. I'm already paying for this and I haven't given her my photo yet. Is this a scam? Is she about to take 5 of my dollars? We're gonna pay with PayPal because we ain't trying to give out our credit card info to strangers on the internet or Fiverr, no offense. So it's gonna be $7.70. Currently paying for it, still haven't submitted my photos. What should we say? I've got, please make this a fun, bright Instagram photo like what the bloggers post. I wanna look really hot and get lots and lots of likes. Did I spell bloggers wrong? Oh, I put 3 G's, my bad. You just made your first Fiverr purchase. I feel like that was fun. For the next one, I kind of want to find someone that will like make me look like I'm in the Bahamas. Okay, I think I actually found someone that their like listing name is remove or change any background professionally, which we want to be in the Bahamas. After tax is gonna be $13. Please Photoshop me to look like I'm on a tropical holiday. I also want to look really hot for my Instagram followers. Thank you. I hate this, but I also gonna love it at the same time. Submit. I just found one that's called Get You Looking Like an Instagram Model Photoshop Pro. Yes! That's what we're looking for. I think we're gonna go with this one. She has like 3 photos and skin looks very smooth. She also says in her bio that she will not disappoint me. Okay, I'm gonna pay for it. Please make me look like a flawless Instagram model. I just submitted it. For my next one, I feel like I want to go for like a bougie one that's like a little more expensive and not $5. There's one here and I think that they've got like 10,000 freaking reviews, which says they take 2 days. Oh, I can express it for an extra $5. The total is $24.20. I'm gonna pay it. Please make me really hot. Okay, submit. Guys, someone's already come back and like submitted it. Someone's already submitted the edited photo, but I'm just like trying not to look at it really hard because I want to save that for tomorrow when I look at all of them. For the last photo, I think I'm just gonna pick like someone completely random and I'm gonna do like the professional option, which is $15. We also gonna pay another $10 to get it for tomorrow. Ooh, he has 1,000 reviews. Okay, this guy also has an option to give first priority to my order. So Kane wants me to click that just to click it and be nice. It's $40 after tax. Okay, what should I say?
I think you should say, please make me look hot. I want to make my ex-boyfriend jealous.
Okay, that's so good. I feel super bad because I'm lying, but at the same time, I'm also paying this guy $40 to edit this photo, so like I don't feel that bad. Please make me look really hot. I want to make my ex-boyfriend jealous. I feel like I need to say thank you with a smiley face. Submit. Hopefully I make my fake ex-boyfriend super jealous from that. Fingers crossed when I check back in with y'all tomorrow, I still have a little bit of self-confidence left, but who really knows? I wonder if anyone's gonna make me look like a different person. Hi guys, so it is a couple of, why am I saying hi? Like the video is already happening. I'm back. It's actually been a couple of days. I wanted to film this straight away, but then I didn't get a chance to. Everyone finished editing their photos in like 12 hours. So if you ever need a cute photo edited up, well, maybe cute, I'm not sure yet. Hit up Fiverr, not sponsored. I need to stop. Anyways, we're gonna look at the photos, see what they look like. So photo number one cost me $7.90. I said, please make this a fun, bright Instagram photo like what the bloggers post. I want to look hot and get lots of likes. Why is my heart beating? I'm so nervous. 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. They like made my top nicer. Wait, what? They removed my bra from the photo. Okay, what the heck? I'm like really hot. When I was like going through these photos, why am I shaking? I don't know why I'm so nervous right now. Hold on. Why am I like this? Hold on, I gotta come back. I'm crying.
What is going on, Sarah?
I just cried for some reason. I have contact lenses in, so my eyes are really sensitive, so I'm crying. Moving on. When Kate and I took these photos, I was like, babe, my bra is like out in the photo. Like, why didn't you say anything? But apparently that's all good because this person freaking edited my bra out. I feel like they did such a good job. Oh, they also edited out my underarm fat, which I don't have fat underarms, but like appreciate it. The photo is good. They did a good job. I look super freaking smooth. They got rid of a freckle that I have on my boob. I'm gonna have to like zoom in to show y'all what they did because it's really subtle. I would probably rate the photo like an 8 out of 10. Like I feel like they did a sick job. Personally, I don't remove my underarm fat, or like I wouldn't bother to go in and fix my bra, but they did like such a sick, awesome job considering I asked them to edit a photo like how a blogger would post it, and I feel like a blogger would like look freaking perfect. They did such a good job. Photo number 2, it was $13.20, and I said, please Photoshop me to look like I'm on a tropical holiday. I also want to look really hot for my Instagram followers. Thank you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I mean, I look like I'm on a tropical holiday. They made me whiter. It's just so random. Holy crap. They literally went in and like photoshopped every little hole of my hat. That would have been so annoying. I feel sorry for that person. If you edited this photo, you're amazing. We could have brightened me up and made me look like I was meant to be there a little bit more. I kind of look like I've been green screened into the destination a little bit, but we look like we're on a tropical holiday. I feel like anyone that was on this boat would be wearing a bikini and I'm wearing a jeans. But honestly, I gotta rate them like a solid 7 for photoshopping every little hole on my hat. Props to this person. Moving on, the next one was $7.70. I feel like that's the cheapest that you can get it done, so we got a bargain. And I said, please make me look like a flawless Instagram model, which is very freaking vague. 3, 2, 1. Oh, at first I didn't notice what the difference was. I'm super tan. What is happening? Did they also hide my bra? They like almost hid my bra. There's a little bit of sneaky bra action still. My jaw is popped. They gave me plastic surgery. I got lip injections in this photo. My eyes even look nicer. Do I need to do something to my jaw? They like fixed my like makeup on my cheeks. I'm very smooth. They like recontoured my face because apparently I'm not doing it right. I like straight up feel like I need to do something to my jaw now. I feel like they gave me exactly what I asked for. We definitely be looking like a flawless Instagram model. My face is just a little bit more snatched. We still have self-confidence. I would rate their job like, I want to say like an 8, but I would never post it. This is so random. Shout out to this person for showing me what it would look like if I had a super snatched jaw. Thanks. The next photo was the second most expensive photo. It was $24.20, and all I said was, please make me really hot. I feel like these ones are like the scariest ones because it's up to someone's interpretation over whether they find you like hot already, so they can change what they want. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what did they do? It's so dark. Literally all these people were like, why is her bra in this photo? And they all photoshopped my bra out of the photo, which I freaking love. I feel like they didn't really do anything. Did they? Self-confidence still exists. I feel like they didn't do anything super crazy, but my arm looks like I freaking go to the gym and work out, which I 100% don't. Should I start going to the gym so my arms look like that? Why go to the gym and get cute arms when you can pay $24.20 to get someone to Photoshop them onto you?
Do you think it was worth it?
I feel like I would just edit the photo myself. Still feel like it looks like pretty good. Out of 10, I feel like I would rate it like an 8. I feel like they didn't do anything wrong really. I personally don't like super contrasty images, so not my cup of tea, but I could totally see that someone else would like that. It's not bad. And we try and be positive around here, so. Photo number 5 was the most expensive one. It was $40.70. So much freaking money for a photo that I'm not gonna post most likely. Maybe if it's really cute, I'll post it. This photo was the most ridiculous, stupid request that I had and completely not true. Please make me look really hot. I wanna make my ex-boyfriend jealous. Thank you. Can you also brighten the image? Because your goal is paying $40.70 and I want a bright image so that I can hopefully actually post this on my Instagram feed. Probably not. I'm assuming Kane knows why, but he has sent me 2 images, so I'm gonna look at the first one first. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what the frick changed? Wait, did he just make me brighter? Is that all he did? Wait, wait, I paid this guy $40.70 and he only made the image brighter. My bank account hates me. He didn't just brighten the image, I like zoomed in and he also smoothed my skin and made my top a little overexposed. No shade, there's a little bit of shade there. I paid $40.70 for a bright, smooth image.
Because like I looked at it and I was shocked that nothing changed. I asked if he could make a few adjustments and make your body look a little slimmer.
The revision image, Kane asked him to make changes to my body. What? Okay. This is so weird. He just made me smaller in the most basic way possible, which I'm not mad about. Bra is still visible. For what Kane said, I feel like he did literally exactly that. For some reason my hand I feel like looks really big. Oh no, that's just my hand. Never mind. We don't have as much of a booty anymore and we also went to the gym. I look literally the same but just like smaller. Because my self-esteem is still intact because the person could have done whatever he wanted but literally did nothing apart from brighten the image. So we love that person. Thanks for the confidence boost. Overall, like off the first image that he sent through, that's probably like the image that I would post the most on my Instagram. I'm gonna rate it like an 8. It looks good. I feel like he didn't do a lot for how much I paid for it, but he still did it in like 12 hours. I will probably post this photo on Instagram, but how I actually edited it, so come follow me over there too. It's Sarah Jane Betts. Give this video a thumbs up if y'all want to see me do more stuff like this, like put my self-esteem on the line, maybe like film another video like this, but with weirder requests. Like leave requests that you guys think that I should ask people on Fiverr to do to me in photos. I hope you guys liked this video though. Make sure to subscribe if you guys did, and I'll see you guys in my next video.